Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix format the disk in drive before you can use it Windows 11. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk space, drive letter command space, /f space, /r. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.